Hello and welcome back to another video on Safe Spot Salvage. Today we're back on the white Ecosport that I got, the 18 plate, because it is back from paint with some white doors. So we're ready now just to really build this up. There is nothing else to do to it. I'm confident I've got everything for it. It should be very straightforward. Get the doors built up, get it washed. It is due an MOT, side skirt. Should be a very easy one really. Let's spin round. So there we go. If you remember, them two doors were black. They're obviously now white. Looks good. I will remind you all, obviously, of the paint shop that I use. If you're in the Rosendale area, near to Rottenstall, the guys are called Flawless Auto Refinishing. Check them out on Facebook, and I will also put a link in my description to their Facebook and I think Instagram. I'll have to check, but yeah, they do a good job. Very happy with them. They've done probably 10 cars for me now, I would have thought, or getting on for 10. They've got the Jeep Renegade at the moment, the yellow one. In fact, they've got the C63 as well. That's down there. That's down there for paint. So yeah, if you're around here, you need some jobs doing, check them out. Right, anyway, so if I recall rightly, everything is in the boot. Yes, all the trims are there. Oil and filter, got that to do as well. So yeah, this might take a bit of time faffing putting all these seals back on, because they have like little, see all them holes, little push clips all the way. Yeah, there's lots of them. But oh, shouldn't slam that too hard with that glass rattling around. Get the seals inside, so that glass is running in the seals nicely. Wing mirror, we'll have to do a bit of cleaning. There's a bit of overspray on it, but that can't be helped really. It happens. But yeah, looking good. So should we just get on with it? I think so. Okay, that's the front one finished, inside and out. Wing mirrors on. Nice silver trim back on, window seal. And on the inside, door card. Again, seal all the way around. Weather strip, what are you going to call it? I don't know what they call it. Door card on. Yeah. It's a bit of a faff for job. I'd say it's a bit of time. But yeah, it's looking better, isn't it? Looking a lot better. Need to get that seagull poo or whatever it is off the wing mirror. I thought it was cracked at first when I first got it, but it actually isn't. It's just some kind of bird poo, a big bird. So yeah, same again now with the rear door. I won't bother time lapsing this one. You probably noticed on the front one I ended up taking the glass out because I just couldn't get the seal to go back down. I'm not too sure on this one whether the seal is the whole thing or the bottom pieces are still in. And that statement makes sense to me. I know it won't to you guys because I'm just blabbering on, but I'll have a look. So seal's down there already. Well, that side needs pushing down, so if I can't get the seal to push all the way down, I'll have to take glass out again. But it's no great issue regardless. Must remember to put check strap on. Yeah, halfway there with the doors. So I'll continue and update you. I mean, I've got a lot of these little plugs to put back on. All these little these white plugs on that weather strip as well. Yeah, I haven't put all them on, so I'll do that as well. Yeah, I'll continue. Update you in a little bit when we've got the two doors finished, and we'll move on to the side skirts. Both doors now fully built up and looking good. Yep, inside as well, all built up, shut nice. Might tweak the body gaps a little bit, yeah, but I mean it's a weird one this. As it is right now, it matches the other side, so I don't know if that's how it should be. They're not even, all three of them, but if it matches the other side, I don't really know where to go with it. But anyway, we are on the side skirt. The side skirt is now ready to go back on. I bought some nice new clips for it, so we've got some nice new clips on, and the lower ones are all good already. So I'm thinking it's just going to go in, them into there, them ones, and then them ones, you like push up inside the middle, and it goes up into the bottom of the body. So I think we'll give it a go and put this on, I think. See how it goes. Let's have a go. Can't get you down low enough to actually see what I'm doing, but I'll stick you there for a minute and we'll just see what happens. Fingers crossed. Straight on. No problems. That goes over there. This locates in the wing somehow. Strange, I had it in before. There it is. And then it's just a case of getting these to line up with the holes. Like so. That went pretty good. And then underneath the clips, yeah, just push up. Oh, very good. All 7. That went remarkably well, actually. I've got a few clips to put in the back. There's going to be a couple in the front arch there, yeah. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, looks good. I've got these clips somewhere. I know I have. I'll find the clips, button up them few bits and pieces, and then I'm thinking we might need to give it a wash. It's very dirty. It's very dirty. And we mustn't forget we've got oil and filter there. These few bits are just from the other doors. The M2. I've got like a full set of everything really. Very good. Yeah, I think I'll get that side skirt all buttoned up now, and I think it'll be time then to give it a wash on the outside and see how she's looking then. But it's looking good now. Yeah, very happy. Right, we're back and we have a finished Ford Ecosport. The car has been cleaned in and out. It is wet through, but it's also throwing it down outside anyway. We also have a full 12 months MOT on, went straight through, no advisories. So yeah, this is it really, this is the end of the video. It's turned out really well actually. It's a nice car, it drives really nice. Like I said, only got 30,000 on it. No problems at all really. Turned out really well. Relatively easy to fix. Nice new modern car. And it's being collected tomorrow as well. So I'm hoping it's going to dry a bit overnight, and then I'll just give it a wipe down, and I think I'll back to black, show the side skirts and stuff like that. And yeah, it's a nice car. I've given it a bit of a spring clean inside as well. It was pretty dirty really, pretty dusty, but it's come up well. I haven't got the floor mat in, it's just over there drying. So this had the full set of genuine Ecosport rubber floor mats. I like the all-weather floor mats. They're so much easier to clean, and looks after the car better, doesn't it? But yeah, no, I like this. I do like this. The interior, so much nicer. Not sure if it'll come on with the ignition off. All your backlit, oh yeah, whatever. Sat nav, reversing camera, all your aircon and everything. It's just a nice place to be sat. The steering wheel's so much more modern as well. Nice new buttons. Yeah, I've enjoyed doing it. It's a nice car, nice easy one again. And I'll look out for another one and definitely pick up another. Because I think they're cracking cars and good value, you know, good value cars. Yes, they've got the 1 litre EcoBoost in them, but I mean this engine is extremely popular now. It's in so many vehicles, you're going to get failures, you're going to get problems with them, just like anything else, but they're not as unreliable as people are making out them to be. As long as they're left alone and not modified, it's the ones in the Fiestas and getting remats and things like that, really. But they have their fair share of problems, just like anything else, really. Anything else that's modern. But yeah, good car. All around good car. So I'm going to close off this video here, get myself home. It's tea time. Weather's miserable at the minute. It's so up and down today. This morning, lovely nice sun. And then, yeah, it's miserable now, throwing it down. Anyway, hope you all had a nice Easter weekend. And yeah, thanks for watching as always. Massively appreciated, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.